Don't worry, they are all very friendly here.
Yeah, I know, it's just a lot of kittens at once. But they are sweet.
They are all safe here now, Lily. We did good work.
Hi, girls. It looks like someone is ready for their walk and some treats.
He seems very happy to see you both. Should we give him some food?
This is wonderful. Let's make sure our furry friends get their breakfast. Ava, you start with the puppies, and Lily, you can take this hand. Can we give these bowls to the puppies in Kennel 3 next? They look so hungry.
That sounds like a wonderful idea, Ava.
Okay, everyone, let's give these amazing dogs their dinner. Look how excited they are.
We know you can do this, Mr. Jenkins. He's a good dog. He just needs someone patient like you. Oh, please, Mr. Jenkins, can we take him home today? He's perfect for us. Yes, Ava.
I think you're right. He is Mr. Jenkins, holding a tool and smiling warmly at Ava's team as they gather around him.
You girls are doing a wonderful job. This park is going to look brand new.
We're happy to help clean it up, Mr.
This looks amazing, everyone. Let's put the petunias along this edge, and then we can tackle the weeds by...
I am so happy we achieved this together.
We knew you could do it. Great job.
This lady Melinana. Chungi di rent me the Nakaranana. Hi, take ring.
This is incredible news. I'm excited to share that I've received the confirmation. And the best part is we secured the permits for the petting zoo area. It's all coming together perfectly. Look, there it is. I can't believe we're finally here.
It looks wonderful, just as I am so incredibly proud of what we've accomplished here. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, Ava. We are so happy.
Ava, on behalf of the organization, we want to thank you for your incredible work here.
Thank you so much. This means the world to us and the...
Congratulations, Ava. You've done amazing work here.
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without the team. Thank you so much.
This means everything to the shelter and our volunteers.
Congratulations, Ava. You truly deserve this recognition for all. Congratulations, Ava. You truly deserve this special recognition for your hard work.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jenkins. I'm honored. We accept this award with immense pride and renewed purpose. Thank you to everyone who made this. This award belongs to all of us. Let's continue to spread kindness and show the world what we can achieve when we stand.